LG updated its Q series of mid-range smartphones last month with the Q7 line, and is now announcing the Q7, the largest brother equipped with a stylus, the Q Stylus. The Q Stylus is essentially the mid-range Galaxy Note for the Galaxy S of the Q7, if you will. Instead of the 5.5-inch screen, 18:9 on the Q7, there is a 6.2-inch screen of 18:9 and a larger form factor to match it, along with an included stylus. Otherwise, it has almost identical specifications in all areas. Like the Q7, it will be available in a high-end Q Stylus Plus model, a Q Stylus Plus mid-level version and an economical Q Stylus Alpha option, with the same octa-core 1.5 GHz and 1.8 GHz octa chipsets core according to the model. Q Stylus Plus as the Q7 Plus will offer 4 GB of RAM and 64 GB of internal storage, while the Q Stylus and Q Stylus Alpha regular have 3 GB of RAM and 32 GB of storage again, such as the Q7 and Q7 Alpha.